Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Crooked Wireless, and these three are the Alcatel quick flip cell phones. So I got three of this because it was on sale, and then this was the last three that they have at the Best Buy. So let's go and then check this one out. Oh, my receipt still in here. So these are the only receipt for two because I had to purchase separately. Oh, it was $24.99, and then it says $15 off sales discount, which is supposed to be $9.99. Wow, I didn't even know I got the $2.50 my Best Buy certificate. So actually I only paid like $7.49 for each phone. And then the tax on that is each phone is 66 cents. What? I can't believe it. So the total amount I pay is $16.29 for two phones. Because the Best Buy didn't limit two phone per customer. So the cashier told me I could do a separate transaction. So I was kind of glad. So let's go and then, oh, here's another receipt. So this one I pay $9.99 plus tax. So it is right because I have the $5 coupon or the reward card. So that's why I went back there, try to use it. So this one I pay $10.86 for one of it. So since all three are the same phone, I'm just going to open one of it. So this is unlimited talk and text, no data access. So this kind of phone, they don't use data. So if you have a grandparents or your father, they just need to quick access for emergency. They don't need any of the data service. You could get this for them. Plans starts at $25 per month. And this is from Crooked Wireless. So originally I was going to purchase the AT&T the same phone for $9.99, but unfortunately the clearance, they were all sold out. So it says easy to use flip design and keypad, 2.8-inch QVGA internal display, and this one has a 2-megapixel camera with the video recording, 1.1 gigahertz quad-core processor. It has a 1350 milliamp battery, high definition voice. So the box includes a phone, battery, USB charger, and then a SIM card. So you can use Alaska, Hawaii, and Puerto Rico, Mexico, and then Canada included on unlimited plan. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So here's the phone. It's in a clamshell. So you got a cookie right there in the front. There's your 2 megapixel camera. And you got the Alcatel right here again. 2.8-inch QVGA display. So this is pretty nice. It has like a rubberized keypad. And then there's no gap or anything. So it's more like a water resistant or water prevent from water or liquid going to the keypad and damage the phone. There's your micro USB charging cable right there, your 3.5mm jack, and your speaker right there on the back. And you got the Alcatel again. Your on and off switch right here. And your volume rocker up and down. It's your microphone hole right there. Go in and pop the battery. Let's go in and pop the back cover open. So here's your SIM card. And then your micro SD card. Got this starter guide, terms and condition of service, clear and simple quick start guide. And here is the SIM card. Look like it's a nano SIM. And then the battery. And the charger. Oh, it's super thin. So here's the micro USB charger. So the wider plug go to the back. So be careful when you want to plug this one in. Don't try to jiggle And then when you try to remove it, just go like that and unplug it. Once you jiggle back and forth, this is pretty fragile. It's gonna break off from the circuit board. So yeah, just be careful. Wow. So you could connect to the Wi-Fi. It says set up KaiOS account. A KaiOS account will allow you to remote lock the device or wipe all personal information, and you will benefit you from having more service provided by KaiOS in the future. Oh, so this one you gotta set up your email and then everything. So check out the display on the front. So it shows you the battery, time, date, and date. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. See if you guys were willing to use this phone compared to your smartphone. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.